Hi, my name is Kevin Ewald and I'm here from Danfoss High Pressure Pumps. I'm an application expert and I would like to tell you why our axial piston pumps and ERDs are relevant in brine mining applications. First of all, our APP pumps are based on an axial piston pump concept. They are having a very good efficiency no matter what pressure and flow you're operating at. So these are ideal in applications where you have a fluctuation in your pressure and flow. Our I-Safes is based on the isobaric pressure exchanger concept. These are also ideal in brine mining applications. First of all, they have a super efficient pressure exchanger in it. Besides that, it includes the vane pump, which is a positive displacement pump. This pump is rotated together with the exchanger via an electric motor, which makes it possible for you to control the flow from the ERD electronically. So that's why it is super relevant in brine mining applications.